See, hard question from area related to circle. In the given figure, a circle with center B overlaps another circle with center A and a square. The ratio of areas of P and Q is 5:4 and the area of Q is 1/8 of the area of B, circle B. The radii of circle A and circle B are 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the area of the unshaded part of this figure. See, red color mark pannirukala, the unshaded part. Shaded part only, this P and Q are shaded, right? P and Q mattum dhaan shade irukku. So remaining parts ellame vandu find out pananum area. So what is given? Idella kuduthirukanga. A circle oda radius is given, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. A circle radius is 10 centimeter and B circle radius is 8 centimeter. So enna kandupidikalam idu vechi and square oda side kuduthirukanga. Enna find out pannalam? With the radius of circle with the side of a square.
Aunty anga rendu
Area.
circle
Yes,
area.
First what inna given value use பண்ணி என்னலாம் find out பண்ண முடியும்? அந்த கண்டுபிடிச்சது வச்சு வேற அவங்க கேக்குறத வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியுதான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. So radius given
area of circle B யும் அப்புறம் area of circle
A is equal to
A and T
is equal to pi r square. Then இங்க pi க்கு வந்து 3.14 வேல்யூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 3.14 into 10 into 10. Yeah, what is area of circle A?
314.
314. Yes. Then area of circle B. Area of B circle. Again pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and r is 8 into 8. What is area of circle B?
200.96.
Yes, 200.96. Then area of square? 49. Side into side, 7 into 7, 49. So idella find out panniyaachu. Then come back to question. The ratio of areas of P and Q is 5:4. So then P by Q, areas, right? Area of P by Q is equal to 5/4. Can we find next step la enna kuduthirukanga? Area of Q is equal to 1/8 of area of circle B, right? So area of Q is equal to 1/8 of area of B. Yes. Can we find Q from here? In the step la Q kandupidikka mudiyuma? Yes. What is area of B?
200.96.
Yeah, 200.96. Yes. Then find Q, area of Q. Area of Q.
ஆண்டி அது மூணுமே ஆட் பண்ணாலே 563 வருது ஆண்டி. அப்புறம் எப்படி ஆண்டி நீங்க புரியல?
Not 563. Sorry. We'll find now. Okay. Yeah, what is area of Q? 8 la cancel panni mattum sollu.
25.120.
25.12 area of Q. See, இப்ப area of Q இங்க substitute பண்ணா we can get P area. Yes. If this is equation 1, can we substitute 25/25.2 here? P by area of Q is 25.12 is equal to 5/4. Can we find area of P? What is area of P? Then cross multiply and find area of P. Substitute in 1.
$31.4.
Yeah, very good. 31.4. Area of P is equal to 31.4 and required area. See, இப்போ இந்த required area na shaded மட்டும் minus பண்ணலாமா? Total area minus this shaded. P and Q minus பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா unshaded area கிடைக்கும். கரெக்ட்டா? Yes. So required area is equal to area of circle A, area of circle A plus area of circle B plus area of square. Area of square minus இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு இதுல இருந்து என்ன மைனஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க? Area of P minus area of Q. Yes. So what is area of A? 314, right? Plus area of B 200.96 from here. Then area of square it is 49 minus area of P. Area of P என்ன find out பண்ணிருக்கோம்ப்பா? 31.14 minus area of Q. Area of Q is 25.12. Yes, what is the answer? Final answer? Add these three and subtract 31.4 and 25.12.
Option C and D.
Yeah, it is 507.44 centimeters square. So the answer is option D.
Option D.
Is that clear? Any doubt?
No idea.
No. Sharma, stop பண்ணிக்கோ sir.